Welcome to Achieving Stock Market. So after a long time, I'm making a new video. So actually, I have taken a long break from the equity market and I was not trading with it. So recently, I have come across an beautiful stock with beautiful price action. So I thought of sharing this stock with you guys. So without wasting time, just let's start the stock analysis directly. So it is the stock name is Aster DM Healthcare. So it comes under the pharma. So they are basically the manufacturers of some medical equipments, and we are not fundamental analysts, so we don't care about those things. So we just see the chart and how the price moves, and we try to understand the psychology behind the buyers as well as sellers. So let's directly go to the monthly time frame, and we will see how it has moved. So this stock has been listed on around 1st February 2018. So from then you can see the way it has been consolidating below this range or below this value of 184. So many times it tried to cross this line, but it couldn't cross. And again, this red candle, what you see is actually the coronavirus crash. That market, entire world, the market crashed. And before this, it is not actually as good as the other stocks, other good stocks. But you see, after the coronavirus crash, the weight has moved. So this is the point that we have to note, and the current trend is what that is actually we have to look before taking that trade. So we come directly to the daily, daily time frame. Okay, sorry, let's come to weekly time frame first. So you can see, let's remove this line. So this was the corona crash, and you can see the way it is moving. So it took a support here and went high, and and it had some correction and took support here and went high. So if you actually draw a trend line, the stock was continuously taking support with this trend line. It went high, took the resistance, it couldn't cross, selling came down. Again went up, tried to cross, it couldn't, selling came down. Again same here, even though it went with very beautiful momentum, it took the resistance, again selling came, it came down. And finally this was first, second, third, fourth, fifth time. The fifth time when it tried to break this trend line, it was very much successful, and it just broke out with huge volume, and also with sorry, I think I've not turned down the volume. Give me a second. Volume, yeah, here it is. Yeah, you can see the volume of this particular big candle. Huge number of position were added on this day. So that beautiful breakout. So actually, with during this rally, I made a good money from this stock. So maybe I cannot show the back office right now, but actually I made good money in this stock. From then I had this stock in my watch list. So after these days, from last October, sorry, last August, so it was consolidating. It was consolidating. Actually, I was just added in my watch list, and I was just watching it. And now it consolidated right back to the same trend line, and it actually got support. The trend line, which was resistance once upon a time, is now the support. It took the support, and see the way this is moving. So just by looking this, we can't take that trade, right? We also need some other confirmation. So this is overall perspective. Let's go to the smaller time frame and take the other confirmations. So I will go to the 1 hour time frame. Sorry, 2 hour I will take it. So see here, this is the support that the stock took, which was once a resistance. The same trend line, it came to the trend line after consolidating. It took a support, and it just jumped from here. So the volume is not good here, but what I liked is after the consolidation, it didn't come back. So after the bounce back, it didn't come back. After the bounce back, it just started consolidating. So what I thought was, I was very strict on this trend, both of these trend lines. So I thought if any of the trend line breaks, I'm gonna figure my trade. So if in case it is on the higher side, I will go in a swing. I will just buy the stock for the quite long term. If in case it breaks down, I just go away from the stock. If else I do intraday. So because why long term? Because as you see, I saw in the weekly time frame, this stock was just came around 2018, and it is still not even like 4 years. And after the coronavirus, a beautiful up move, and also the beautiful breakout, and also the consolidation. Maybe who knows, after this pullback, this stock even may from 200, it can even touch around 500 rupees after some time. So the healthcare industry, it is growing very fast. So that's the reason. So after the breakout, exactly a year after the breakout, yesterday evening, I came around 2:50 or 3 o'clock. I bought the stock around 180. So I didn't expect this kind of move today, but I actually bought it around 179, and I was expecting the stock moving slowly, a little bit of up move consolidation and again up move consolidation. So I thought of this stock will move to this level of 236 by 1.5 or 2 months, but it is moving very fast aggressively, and even see the volume. So if you guys want to actually take position in this stock, you can take, but again, these are small cap stocks. These are quite risky, so you will be responsible for both the profit and loss. And if you want to take this trade, you can wait for some time for the consolidation, or if actually corrects a bit, and then see the price action in the lower time frame and take the trade. So actually, I told this is all about the analysis of the stock, Aster DM. So you can note down this name, and it's a very good stock. I had made profit in this stock for two or three times the last year, and for this year, first time I'm taking the trade. And I believe, and I will be keeping this trade for more than minimum of few months, because I think I feel it is a very good buy. So that's all in this video, and I will also show the screenshot of the order that I placed yesterday. So one second. This is the screenshot of the holdings of my zero dot trading account. So actually, I edited the quantity as well as the current value on P&L, because I don't want to share the amount that I'm using here, even though it is not quite big. It is quite confidential. I'm sorry for that. See, it is showing T1, means it is not even settled. So I just bought it today, and bought it on Friday. So only after 2 days it will be settled. So it is showing T1, and as I told you, I bought it at 179. And exactly after 1 day, it is boom around 9%, and now it is on 196. So it is like not every day is a Sunday. So only on some occasional days we get around 9% in 1 day. This is barely possible in the large cap. So I usually prefer swing trading in small cap. So some lucky days it happens. One day 9% is very huge. Even 2-3% per month is also very good, because bank FDs gives around 6% per year, and gaining around 2-3% per month, it translates to 36% per year. It is very good returns. So maybe this is lucky. I got 9% in 1 day, and even you can, if stock moves higher, so even you can make good money if you enter in this. So that's all in this video, and thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give a like, and also subscribe and share the video to your friends. Thank you.